The carbon credit market is a system designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by assigning a monetary value to carbon reductions. In agriculture, this means that farmers and landowners can earn credits by adopting sustainable practices that capture or reduce carbon emissions. These credits can then be sold to companies or organizations seeking to offset their own carbon footprint. As concerns about climate change grow, the carbon credit market is playing a crucial role in encouraging environmentally friendly practices within the agricultural sector. Carbon credits are permits that represent the right to emit a specific amount of carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases. Typically, one carbon credit allows for the emission of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide. The main purpose of carbon credits is to provide a financial incentive for organizations and countries to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. By limiting the total number of credits available, governments and regulatory bodies encourage businesses to adopt cleaner technologies and practices. This system plays a crucial role in promoting environmental sustainability by helping to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Carbon credits are generated through activities that actively reduce or remove greenhouse gas emissions from the atmosphere. Projects like wind farms, solar installations, and reforestation efforts play a significant role in this process. These initiatives either prevent the release of carbon dioxide or capture it, thereby earning credits for the amount of emissions offset. Sustainable farming practices, such as no-till agriculture and improved land management, also contribute by enhancing soil carbon storage. Each credit represents a measurable reduction in emissions, verified by independent organizations to ensure their environmental impact is real and lasting. Voluntary and compliance carbon markets serve different purposes in the global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In voluntary carbon markets, companies, organizations, and individuals choose to buy carbon credits to offset their emissions beyond what is legally required. These markets are often driven by corporate sustainability goals or consumer demand for environmentally responsible practices. In contrast, compliance carbon markets are established by governments or international bodies, requiring certain industries or entities to adhere to legally binding emission limits. Regulatory frameworks such as the European Union Emissions Trading System and California's Cap-and-Trade program govern these compliance markets, ensuring that participants meet specific reduction targets. Carbon credits are traded through several channels, each offering distinct advantages. Many transactions occur on specialized exchanges where buyers and sellers can trade credits much like other commodities, benefiting from transparent pricing and standardized contracts. Brokers also play a key role, acting as intermediaries who match buyers with suitable sellers and help navigate regulatory requirements. In some cases, companies purchase credits directly from project developers, establishing agreements that often provide more flexibility and traceability. These various methods allow organizations to efficiently acquire carbon credits to meet their sustainability goals. The carbon credit market brings together a diverse group of participants, each playing a unique role. Governments often set regulations and create frameworks that define how carbon credits are issued and traded. Corporations purchase credits to offset their emissions and meet environmental targets, while also demonstrating their commitment to sustainability. Farmers and landowners can generate credits by adopting practices that capture or reduce carbon, such as reforestation or improved soil management. Environmental organizations frequently act as project developers or certifiers, ensuring that carbon reduction efforts are credible and effective. Verifying and certifying carbon credits involves a rigorous multi-step process to guarantee their authenticity and environmental benefit. First, a project proposing to reduce or remove greenhouse gas emissions is designed and documented according to established standards. Independent third-party auditors then assess the project, reviewing its methodology, monitoring plans, and expected outcomes. Once the project's emissions reductions are verified as real, measurable, and additional, a recognized certification body issues carbon credits. These credits are tracked in registries to prevent double counting and to maintain transparency throughout their life cycle. Participating in the carbon credit market offers a range of compelling benefits. By adopting sustainable practices, organizations can earn financial incentives through the sale of carbon credits, creating a new revenue stream while reducing their environmental impact. These efforts contribute directly to lowering greenhouse gas emissions, supporting global climate goals. Additionally, involvement in the carbon credit market can enhance a company's reputation, demonstrating a commitment to environmental responsibility. Ultimately, this approach not only supports business growth, but also fosters a healthier planet for future generations. The carbon credit market has faced several notable criticisms and challenges. One major concern is the lack of transparency, which can make it difficult to verify the legitimacy of carbon offset projects and track the flow of credits. Double counting is another issue, where the same emission reduction is claimed by multiple parties, undermining the integrity of the system. Additionally, market volatility can lead to unpredictable prices, making it harder for businesses to plan long-term investments in sustainability. These challenges highlight the need for stronger regulations and improved oversight to ensure the effectiveness of carbon credit initiatives. Agriculture plays a significant role in the carbon credit market by offering unique opportunities for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing carbon sequestration. Through practices such as cover cropping, reduced tillage, and improved nutrient management, farmers and agribusinesses can capture and store carbon in soils and vegetation. These sustainable land management techniques not only benefit the environment, but also allow producers to generate carbon credits. Once verified, these credits can be sold to companies seeking to offset their own emissions, creating an additional revenue stream for those in the agricultural sector. This approach encourages widespread adoption of climate-friendly practices while supporting the global effort to combat climate change. Across the globe, carbon credit projects have demonstrated tangible benefits in both agriculture and other industries. In Kenya, smallholder farmers have adopted sustainable land management practices, earning carbon credits while improving soil health and crop yields. In Brazil, reforestation initiatives have restored degraded land, generating credits that are sold to companies aiming to offset their emissions. Meanwhile, landfill gas capture projects in the United States convert methane into energy, reducing greenhouse gases and creating a new revenue stream. These examples highlight how carbon markets can drive innovation, support local communities, and contribute to global climate goals. For beginners interested in the carbon credit market, starting with research is essential. Explore reputable online resources, such as government environmental agencies, nonprofit organizations, and established carbon registries to understand the basics. Consider joining webinars or online courses that explain how carbon credits work and the different types available. It's helpful to connect with industry forums or communities where you can ask questions and learn from experienced participants. Begin by making small, well-researched investments and always verify the credibility of any project or platform before committing funds. The future of the carbon credit market is shaped by rapid innovation and evolving global priorities. Emerging trends include the integration of blockchain technology to enhance transparency and traceability in carbon transactions. Advances in data analytics and remote sensing are improving the accuracy of emissions measurement, making credits more reliable. Additionally, governments and international bodies are considering new regulations to standardize practices and ensure the integrity of the market. As these developments unfold, the carbon credit market is poised to play an increasingly significant role in global climate strategies. In this section, we've highlighted the main concepts surrounding sustainable agriculture and credits markets. We've explored innovative practices, emerging trends, and the importance of adopting eco-friendly solutions in farming. Staying informed about these topics can help drive positive change in the agricultural sector. For continued updates and deeper insights, Consider following SMART-AGRI Hub as your resource for the latest in sustainable agriculture and environmental market developments.